So here in this video, I'm going to be finding the antiderivative of this function right here. So first things first, I look at the part under the radical. I'm going to set that equal to u. So u is going to be equal to 2x plus 1. So du by dx is equal to, so this is just 2. And if I multiply the dx, this would just be du equals 2 dx. So here we don't have a 2 that's readily available that we can replace, or 2 dx that we can replace with du. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a 2 here on the top, so making this x plus 1 over root 2x plus 1 dx. All right, so this is what we have. Now we can take this 2 dx and we can replace it with du. So what I'm doing is I'm replacing this 2 dx with du, because that's what it's equal to, right? Okay, so let's do that. This is just going to be x plus 1 something, right? This x plus 1 is going to be replaced with something else. And then du over root 2x plus 1. Now, what is this x plus 1 going to be replaced with? So u equals 2x plus 1. So if we can rewrite this, then we can solve. So this is going to be, so let me do this in blue. So u equals 2x plus 1. So u minus 1 divided by 2 equals x, right? That's what we got here. So if we replace x with u minus 1 over 2, then we would get the result. So this is just going to be u minus 1 over 2 plus 1. And now we have everything, and I forgot to replace this with just u, because that's what it's equal to, right? And now we have everything set up, and it's kind of in different colors, kind of looks weird, but we will do it in red. So let's simplify this top part. I'm going to do this on the side because we don't have space here. So u minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1, so times 2, u minus 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is equal to u minus 1 plus 2 over 2, which is equal to u plus 1 over 2. I just wanted to show all the steps. So that's just going to become u plus 1 over 2 over u raised to 1/2 power du. So u raised to 1/2 power can be brought up by just doing multiplying by the reciprocal. So this is just going to be u plus 1 over 2u raised to the 1/2 power du. So now this is what we end up with. So we can obviously simplify this further. How we can do this is we can split this up. So let's split this up into the antiderivative of, so u minus, or 1 minus 1/2 is just 1/2. So this is just going to be 1/2, or we could just do square root of u over 2, or 1/2 u raised to 1/2 power. And then plus, I'm just splitting this into two parts, 1/2, and then u raised to negative 1/2 power, or 1 over 2u to the negative 1/2 power, same thing, du. So this is what we have here. Now obviously we can factor out a 1/2, and we'll just push that out. So this is just going to be 1/2 times the antiderivative of u raised to 1/2 plus u raised to negative 1/2 du. Okay, so now I need some extra space, so I'm going to scroll down. So this is just going to be equal to, so 1/2 times u raised to the 1/2 plus 1, which is 3/2. So I'll just write that. That's just 3/2 over 3/2 plus u raised to the 1/2 over 1/2. And then obviously the plus c. But let's just simplify first before we can add that plus c. So this is just going to be equal to 1/2 times U raised to 3/2 times 2/3, because it's a reciprocal, is just 2u raised to 3/2 over 3 plus 2u raised to 1/2 over 1, or just 2u raised to 1/2. We don't have to do anything with that. And then obviously we can see some cancellations once we distribute. So this 2 will cancel with this 2 here. Let me do that in a different color. Do that in white. So this 2 will cancel, and then the same 2 will cancel with this 2, and we will result in, our answer will be u raised to 3/2 power over 3 plus u raised to 1/2 power plus c. Now always remember that we can't leave our answer in terms of u. We have to replace it with the x. So what's that going to be? Well, u equals 2x plus 1. We established that there, so we can just replace everything with 2x plus 1. So this is just going to be equal to 2x plus 1 raised to the 3/2 power over 3 plus 2x plus 1 raised to 1/2 power. Obviously, you can rewrite this as like the square root of 2x plus 1, but this is also fine, plus the constant of integration. And this is your final answer. This is your antiderivative. I hope you found this video helpful.